Hi, my dear friends. So I've reached my grandma's home. So one of the best thing I saw in this house is this rose. It's so beautiful. It's an olden rose. So there are many of the flowers here in my grandma's home. So see, flowers are so good. See. There's a very good cat over here. This is actually very beautiful. So this is very beautiful. I'll show you another one like this itself. So this is another one. See, this is red, that was white. And all are these ones. So this is my grandma's home. This is a very beautiful cat. See, it never stays in a place. The back side is like this. See, it's all dried plants and houses. So that's all. And there are some banana plants and some of the outer shell of coconut. That's all for today. Bye.